Guys, I just wait. Oh no, where are the Rangers? I was like a little AFK. Now where are the Rangers? Wait, where even are the Rangers? I guess we'll have to find them soon. Here. This is. I think this is the old Ranger station. Guys, this is the old Ranger station. They abandoned. Redwood Stables. Okay, Rangers, where'd you go? Cool. This is really pretty. I never knew Wild Woods could be so flippin' pretty. You can go through the log. There's like, wait, like right now there's like, unless this is just very shallow. I, okay, that's just shallow. We're able to walk through this. I wonder where they went. Where'd the Rangers go? Come on, please, where'd the Rangers go? Okay, so there's still such thing as swimming here. Okay, please, they were like up here. Hopefully. Please say they're up here. Please, they're up here. This is where I was. This is where I was earlier. Okay, maybe we have to follow the trail. Maybe we'll find them on the way. That's one point.
Okay, I got you some black leggings. I bet those look like dress pants, so we'll see what you think of those. Not sure. You don't need to listen to me.
Well, I'm in a video.
Sorry.
Tell me after I'm done recording. Hey. Okay, wait, where are the Rangers, guys? Oh my gosh, I feel like I may have to log off and restart the quest. Oh my gosh. Wait, oh my gosh, where? Okay guys, it's now qualified. I'll definitely have to restart the quest. But this was a little bit of experience in Wild Woods. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time on a little bit of an update in Wild Woods. Bye, pandas!